What's going on, YouTube? Your boy Baron McQueen back with another video, and you can see today I'm filming outside. Stay tuned. So today I really wanted to talk about, I give you the reason why we outside. You know, I speak with a lot of people, and I always try to encourage people to find a place of peace. This is a place where you just go. Nobody don't have to know it's your place of peace, but it's just a place where you go, where you kind of just disconnect from everything. You disconnect from the cell phones, social media. And my place of peace happens to just be in my backyard. I come out here and I just sit in this chair for hours and disconnect. You know what I mean? I watch the fish, the manatees, whatever's in the water, birds, everything, raccoons, everything is over here. But it's really the place where I do my best thinking. It's where I do my, I wouldn't say soul searching, but it's really like my place of peace. So I always encourage anybody in the entrepreneur space, even if you're not an entrepreneur, you need to find your peace place. Some people's may be on the toilet. I have no clue where you find peace, but I come out here, I put my feet in the sand, I just watch the water, man, and I can be out here probably to the sunsets, man. That's when it's cooler. You know, it's bright sun right now, but I really want to encourage you guys to find your place of peace, because it's going to be important just for your journey. You know, you don't have to be an entrepreneur to find a place of peace. You just need to designate a place where you're going to go every time you need to just disconnect, get away from the world, where you can just think. Right in this spot right here is where I think of a lot of business ideas, where I think about content from my YouTube channel, where I think about life and things that I want to do. They all come from going to my place of peace. So I want to highly recommend you find your place of peace. I don't know where it will be. Mine's happens to be right here in my backyard. This is my place of peace. You know, so eventually I'm going to continue to expand on my place of peace. And add some more elements out here, and as you follow my journey on YouTube, you'll probably see those changes. But today's recommendation is for you to find your place of peace. So if you know what your place of peace is, man, leave your place of peace down in the comments below, man. I want to reply back to everybody about their place of peace and how you decided to pick it. Where do you go to zen out, or wherever it could be, man. It could be on the toilet in your house. It could be, you know, under an overpass in your city. It could be anywhere. So comment your place of peace, man. But that's all. I just wanted to really come out here and recommend something everybody should do, man. Find you a place of peace and enjoy it, man. So I might just be out here fishing, or just out here sitting and thinking, man. Give me a little drink going, a little pina colada or something. But find your place of peace. So I'm gonna be giving these little recommendations on the regular, just things that have helped me throughout my journey as a person, growing personal development as well as entrepreneurship. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're up to date with all my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Started at the bottom till I hit the road. Now I'm standing at the top. So here we go. Here we go. Hit the road. Here we go. Where were your hands when I was in need? Now you're reaching out for me. So here we go. Here we go. So here we go.
We already at the top. Come join us.